Today I'm detailing a chrome rim without a pressure washer. So I'm going to begin by pre-soaking the wheel just to get the sand off the tire and any sand that's on the wheel so I don't scratch it when I use my brushes. Alright. Spraying the wheel well too to get any sand off the wheel well. On top of the tire. And then hose down the rim. Just hosing everything down to get any sand off the wheel. Loose sand, I don't want to scratch into the wheel. And I got a couple different products I'm going to use to do this without the pressure washer. And you could use a pressure washer and make it a little bit faster. Alright, so I'm going to start with Wesley's Bleach White. They're not sponsoring this video, but if they want to, that'd be awesome. And I'm going to use some Purple Power. I'm going to spray the tire with Purple Power and the chrome with Purple Power. And everything's pre-soaked. I'm working in the shade as to not burn these chemicals onto the wheel. And I got a hard bristle brush for the tire itself. I have a soft bristle brush for the chrome. And I have a wire brush just for the white lettering. Be careful not to hit the chrome with that because it could damage it. And I got a little bucket here to kind of store stuff. Emergency water in case I lose water for whatever reason. Especially with working with chrome cleaner, which I'm going to do on my next step. So Wesley's Bleach White and the wire brush. Just kind of work it in. Alright, hard bristle brush along the rubber tire. Alright, and then the soft bristle brush along the chrome part. And I'm actually going to wash the chrome twice. With the second cleaning is going to be with chrome cleaner. I'm just kind of working the dirt off. Work that edge real good. Get the dirt off the edges, the rim edge. It likes to kind of sit, work around the weights so there's no residue you can see around the weights and the lug nuts. Now hose it all off. You want to be thorough in your hosing off to get any dirt, loose dirt off the wheel so you're not rubbing it back in to the wheel, the chrome, so it doesn't scratch. Now I'm going to take chrome cleaner. This one happens to be wires, but you can use any one. And notice I pre-soaked the rim and I'm working in the shade. Do not let chrome cleaner sit. Do not work on another wheel. Do not walk away. Do not do this in the sun. Just to protect your chrome. Every chrome wheel is a little bit different, but they can be sensitive to chrome cleaner. Chrome cleaner can work amazing wonders on your rims, get them clean, but they can also damage the acid in the chrome wheel cleaner can damage the rim. Again, I'm just going to work around the weights real good. Did around the lug nuts. And that little hub center. Just kind of work it in. Make sure I get the edge of the rim real good. inside and out. All right. Again, don't let this stuff sit. Immediately hose it off. Okay, so now I can take a blower and blow dry this wheel it out to the sun, let it dry a little bit more, wipe on some tire dressing so the spray doesn't hit the chrome, and then also maybe even use some chrome cleaner or chrome polish and polish the wheel just to get that ultimate shine. And that, with your white lettering, it can't get any cleaner than that. All right, thanks.